Eureka. I was the observer, now I'm the curator. When I'm not thinking about myself, I still exist. And if thought represents a sketch of the material, then there is a mind that has thought, processed that thought and made materials from its own substance, data, genes, culture, mind, substance. This mind grants the material limited access to interact with the mind. This allows the mind not to be tainted by what it creates from its thoughts and make material to interact with. In this instance, the universe would be a holographic copy of the mind's idea and how those ideas interact with mind. A thought goes through a process and becomes an idea that can be turned into reality using the materials of mind itself, like how data can be converted to sensory experience. This is in other terms called getting something to make sense. Therefore, comprehension is a product of thought, which is a sketch of an expression of self, segment of mind, that goes through a process of becoming useful and functional to enhance and clarify the mind's experiences and therefore the image of self. Every material that exists is a part of the puzzle that altogether is what the mind most likely looks like. An example of this would be that every interaction you have had since you were born shapes the image in your mind of who you were and what you most likely look like to the rest of you. This is an inherent knowing that you are more than this one material self and that there's a part of you in every other material self that you choose to interact with. This also includes how much access you give them to the ideas from your mind, because this will dictate how much they can affect your image of yourself in your mind. Your personal experience, therefore, would be a holographic copy of your mind, and if you could link every moment that you interacted with another material or material self, it would amalgamate to an image that most likely looked like all of you, including your mind.